that? We're here at Katsu. Ano yun na? Isa soup. First meal. Try mo na.
What teams do you guys have?
Wow. What is that? Assorted? Tawag ba dyan? Oh, sarap. May tempura. What is this? Cabbage? And where do you gonna put this? Where are you gonna put this?
My sauce.
Oh, your sauce. And I got fish and chips. Fish and fries. Thank you. Thank you so much. Unang kagat. May tempura with cheese. Yun. Yan. Time ko kami kumain sa Katsu katabi ng pasta bar. Favorite to ni Sam na place. Di ba our coffee.
It's so cold.
This is our kind of Monday. Every Monday. Ano kami? Treatment day namin and gala day namin.
It is.
Super gastos. Treatment ng aming mga massage, physio, tapos kain, grocery, and pinupuntahan namin yung mga gusto. Super full ako. Hala, they're closed?
No, Charles, my cookie.
Oh, they're closed na.
That's actually
It's
my
permanently.
favorite in Bumbley na beach.
Ito na oh. Oh, they're closed na. Ayan guys. We're actually here sa ano nga tong lugar na to, Nak? Kensington. Nandito yung mga, oh my God, they're closed.
They're open.
The coffee.
It's
Mer-
just they're a good coffee. We are open.
Yeah, we have favorite coffee here. Ito siya.
Coffee bread.
Ito yung favorite naming coffee. Yan. Agudo coffee. No, your croissant, diba, is here.
I know, but I'm not gonna buy the whole thing. It's so expensive for the.
I know. Ayan. We're gonna buy our coffee. The coffee here is super good. Ooh,
In the world.
that one. Oh, tiramisu. Parang masarap. Oh my God, super full lang ako, guys. Super busog namin. Kakakain lang namin sa Katsu.
But I can make room for chocolate croissant.
This is our always
Maybe
dinner.
like their brownie version.
Ayoko ng brownie. Pero it's good it's gluten-free. Look at their tiramisu. Look at their cheesecake too. Can we just get one?
Yeah.
Ito na lang atin.
I'll just buy that.
Okay. Let's try.
Okay. What's your coffee?
My favorite. Hello.
Hello. Mama, just.
This is their special. Try mo yung coco matcha. I'll get the caramel caramel macchiato. Oh no, mocha na lang. Kasi I'll try the mocha here already, diba? They have a good spot. Small, but they're always busy here. Ano? Yun na lang. Mocha. Your favorite. Kanina heavy food Ito. Only at Agudo lang yan. Ayan. Yeah, that's why I always hear
Nag-vlog po kayo.
Sige po. Follow nyo kami. Sure. Only here. O, diba? Kaya favorite ko rito. The last time we also had, si Kuya. He makes a good latte. Super. Look at this. Guys, parang hirap nitong inumin. Diba? Yung ganito. Sam, this is the moment. And the good thing pa, ang sarap ng kape talaga. Ang sarap talaga ng kape nila dito. Nak, no? Ay, how's your matcha?
It's good.
Coco matcha.
It's with coconut milk.
That was Catherine Bernardo's favorite. Eh, ano mo? Ang dami pang matcha.
Because
Pero ito talaga favorite.
the last sip is the best. This is matcha galore. This one is
Ito, this is my favorite talaga. Ang hirap ng inumin, no? Simulan natin sa pakpak. Sarap. Ang foamy pa. Winner talaga. I love this, ano talaga. Yan yung kanilang, ano. They're all Filipino. Tapos ang galing-galing nilang gumawa. Sarap pa ng coffee dito. Thumbs up. Where are we going? Why are you so payat?
ingrown out.
Ingrown.
Nag-echo yun.
Ayan. Sarap kumanta rito. Kanta ka, anak.
Ah.
Wow. I just walked up the day.
Ito yung chunk ko.
Oo naman. Pero kayo, okay naman na yung lugar niya. Favorite ni Nana yan.
Really?
Yeah, di ba favorite niya yan? Dali na kunin mo na, meron tayong oras sa ano. Kukuhan. Dito tayo.
Where? Here?
Dito na pala. Dito na kami sa ano. Bili muna kami ng ulam sa Nipod. Nipod. Po tayo na ano. Nipod City. Po kami ng Joboy. Kasi parang hindi na nawala ang sipon ni Daddy tsaka ubo. Bili kami ng sabaw. Sabaw. Yan. Asak na. Batang to nawala na naman. Liempo daw, anak. Yun na lang liempo na naka-portion na, no? Yan. Favorite nila yan si Angel. Oh, you don't like that? Get your Angel. Ay, Angel. Huwag ka na ng liempo. Diyan. Yeah, that one. This one, the makapal.
Because these are cut already.
Oo, that's okay. Kakat din naman eh. Yes, lagyan mo kaya ng medyo buto, no? Do you want something with buto? This one.
Maybe this one.
Yan. The smaller lang kasi ano lang naman gusto ko halo lang. O sigang. And then get vegetable. Let's go. Daddy wants labanos and you want the gabi, di ba? Our favorites, Seafood City. Lagi naman nawawala tong batang to. Dali anak, kasi magpapaano kami, magpapanails kami, kaya kami nagmamadali din. Mauna na nga ako, bahala siya. Kuha kami ng, ayan, meron ng pre-cut. Ayan, pre-cut tayo. Before, meron sila yung parang mix for sigang na. Pero wala na, so kuha tayo ng labanos, mostarda, sibuyas, ang dami. Oh, let's get let me get this.
Yeah, sitaw.
She wants sitaw and
Or my
agapi. Ayoko na, nakuha ka na lang ng small
Ito na
ano.
lang. Para huwag na i-slice ni
Oh,
Daddy.
sige. Basta na lang. You want gabi?
Daddy wants that.
Me, I want gabi. Yeah, so kompleto na. Meron tayong sitaw, labanos, mostasa, sibuyas, kamatis.
Do we have kamatis?
Kamatis. No, we don't have kamatis.
With talong.
Oh, you need talong.
Here, I got this.
There, talong, oh. No, not that.
Filipino, talong.
Ha?
Filipino.
Ayoko yun. Pangkan. Then get kamatis. Roma tomato. Not the soft one, ha?
Where's my okra? That's my favorite.
Yan. Samantha likes okra. Sige, we'll find okra. Oh, kalma.
Oh my God.
Adik yan. Yung medyo ano ha, matigas. Kasi i-boil yan eh. Not that too big ha. Ano yung dating sabi ko na kapag malaki, may
By formalin. Everyone's sort of backing out.
sabi ko dati oh, bakit gano'n? Lumalaki yung mga ano, siguro nilalagay nila formalin to. Tapos yung nasa likod ko tingin sa akin. Sabi ko,
No, like they were doing
fertilizer pala yung gusto kong
They
sabihin.
were all getting eggplant, right?
Oo.
Parang may formalin ako po.
Hindi pala formalin. Yung gusto kong iparating is fertilizer something, yung pampalaki. Formalin ako ng formal. Pang teddy pala yun. Ayan, bilisan mo, may schedule pa kami sa nails. Kasi guys, oh, yun, oh, umangat na, oh. Kalahati na siya. So, I'll find okra. Diyan ko naman siya kukonsintihin sa mga ganyan. Gulay eh, go. Oh my God! Tuwag here! Oh my God! Ang laki-laki niya na. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Aki boy! Guys!
Prices.
Ayan, para tayo nasa Pilipinas, guys. Oh. They have all the Johnson. Nak, your favorite. Nung baby ka.
Look at this. Patay ka
Oh, Islander. Oh my God. Alam mo kung sino naalala ko dito sa Islander? Tita Racy mo. Sa kanya ko to, Islander girl yan. Shoutout to my ate. Oh, tatay. They have Rambo, I know. I saw Rambo shoes. Ay, slipper.
Sa'yo na, chinelas ko.
Sa'yo Nachi yan?
Sa'yo na, chi.
Talaga? Yun ang brand?
No, it's just like tawa.
Oh! Alika na. Come on. I just showed them lang, no? Meron ng safeguard. Ay, they have bayong-bayong thing. Yeah. Yeah, kasi di ka naman sumasama sa akin ng grocery. Daddy mo lagi.
How much is this? We need two.
We have that. Nasa stocks.
Like that?
Yeah. I have that. Andun sa laundry area natin. Sa mga storage. Nasa storage. Nakatabi yun.
How come I never knew?
Ano ba? We're using that kapag camping, di ba?
Seriously, gusto mo ba to?
That's too small.
Wait, ganda yun ah.
Ayan, kasi guys, binibilan ako ni isang parate every time.
Mom, here, oh.
Like last night, she bought me one again. Halika na, nak. Teka lang. Our appointment is coming soon. Nak, taho! We have taho here. Get taho. You want taho? Yun, no? Dito tayo nakabili ng favorite mong taho. Yung brand dito kasi masarap. Ayan. This one. Di ba yung sa TNT, yung brand ng Pinoy? So, ayan na. That's enough. You have sigang thing?
Yeah.
There's okra but frozen if you want. Do you want that? O baka nasa other side. Doon sa kabila. I love this one. Salted egg.
Can you get some?
Wala eh. Wala. Hinahanap ko, tapos sabi ko, sakto naglalagay si kuya. Ay, eto meron na silang mga ganto-ganto. Gawaan ng... Oh, come on, come on. Ang dahil ko nakikita. Squad, just remember last night, we spent almost 300 sa grocery. Ngayon, ito na naman kami. Kaya minsan ayoko talaga kasama rin to guys eh. Kasi pag si daddy, control ng control. Pag kaming dalawa yung magkasama, yeah mommy, that's so nice. Yeah mommy, that's so good. Ayan. Lahat pwede. Ilan na nak? Remember that? Dito ka na na. Ay, doon na. Dito muna. Ay, nak, yung Graham ko, be. I cannot without the Graham. Every morning, ito ang aking almusal. Ayan. Every morning. Sinasawsaw ko talaga to sa kape. Ayan. Naubusan na ako. Kung makikita nyo sa vlog ko, lagi ako kumukuha nito every time mag-grocery kami. Ayan. Ang bilis na ubos. Kinuha mo pa yung isa kong ganito. Napagbintangan pa eh, no? Kasi parang feeling ko ubos. Ang bilis ko na ubos.
Oh my God, did you stop everything mine?
Ha?
Did you stop?
Yan, nahilig din itong dalawang to sa chichiri. Uy, we bought a lot last night. Ang dami na nating chicha.
Daddy already finishes part of the Cheetos. I was like, what?
Oo nga, naubos niya yung kalahati ko gabi. Kasi hindi mo na naman siniplak yung tira.
Really?
Come on.
Tira na?
Uy, daddy wants to buy, fish. Only have pork. Can you get at least bangos? Lakas na kumain dalawa eh. Parating na lang nauubos ang ating get tilapia. You know, fresh na fresh.
We're gonna get clean.
Ha?
We're gonna get clean pa.
Ayun na lang, gusto mo sa clean? Ayun na lang clean.
No?
Ayun na, there oh.
Maybe Daddy can clean it. Or you can clean it.
I have so much to do. Wala naman natang pila, oh. Walang pila.
Thank you, Mom.
While waiting, we can chika-chika here. Let's talk about,
Should we get
let's
this?
talk about yung success. That one, oh.
This one?
Yeah.
No, this one.
It's crystal. That's so clean. Okay, mo? Malaway siya. It means it's
Ew, what about this?
fresh.
I really want
No, I don't like black eyes.
You said dapat black sila. Wow.
Yeah, not red but not black.
What about this?
Yan, yan. Yan is the other one.
This?
The other one. Yan.
Kind of looks like Saskia.
Wow! I like that. O, tama na yung dalawa na makihilig masyado sa fish. Kaya mo yan, nak. Sus, Mariosep.
Ay!
Sige lang. Sige, yan tayo eh. Matuto ka pag parang ganda isdaan. Let them clean it. Yeah, it's free cleaning dito sa guys. Yun, so we're done na guys. Ayan o, ang ating Cebu City. So ang napag-grocery natin is 136. Tako ang copyright. So ayun lang. Pero kompleto na yun guys. May karne, may isda, may gulay, plus chicha. Yan, tatakbo naman kami ngayon sa aming
Mga pagpapadala?
appointment. Nandiyan palang Atlas kasi appointment naman kami for nails kasi nga ayan na siya. Para sang nails ni ate. Ikaw ba ganun din?
Tapos nag
Naputol. So ayun na nga. Here we go. Yeah. Dati nga na. Ito yung favorite place namin guys. Dito rin namin dinadala si Nainay noon. Ganda mo na. Kahit natural without makeup. Ganda.
I think I wanna do blue.
Ito yung mga favorite ni Sam.
Guys, lagi nila ako inaasar dito.
Kasi
Kailan nila ako sa nila.
walang
Girl.
With white?
We talk about you just get plain white, black, and brown.
I
And
know.
red. So ngayon, pink.
Waiting ako dito guys kasi ang daming nakapila. Check ako lang sa inyo. Hindi kaming mahuli dun sa parking na pinuntahan namin. Buti na lang, saktong pag alis namin ng parking, dumating yung mga traffic police ng parking dun sa Northwest. Sabi nila, do you know that this is not for parking? Pero dati doon kami nagpa-park doon, so nagulat na lang ako. Sabi niya, buti na lang, it's okay. Hindi na namin kayo titikitan. Since nandun na ako, sakto na lang. In time talaga. Naloka ako doon. Kung hindi na, 300 ako doon, guys. My goodness. Ayan, so pag Monday lahat ng errands namin ginagawa namin. Kasi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, hanggang Sunday, sobrang busy ko talaga, guys. Tuesday, yan, today is, nag-prepare na ako ng shipping kanina. Then, to be continued later. Then, tomorrow, lilipad lahat ng shipping namin. Wednesday, preparing ako para sa Thursday ko sa store. Yung mga pick-up, the rest of the mga pahabol na shipping. Then, Thursday hanggang Sunday, sobrang busy na talaga. Ayun lang, guys. Magpapapedicure ako. Ganda. First time ko nag-red. Sa'yo na. Wala pa. My toes are happy now. This is my color and this is Ate Sam's color. Uwian na guys. Lapit lang naman to sa amin. Dito kami lagi. Ayan. Nails and Spa. Lana number 1. Kasi yung isang number 2 nila. Sa Wusu!
No, for real, I need you to...
Yari ka sa daddy mo. Oh, can you drop the food?
This here.
No, the new one. Because I wanna see the new one. We are show your nails. Si Ate La.
Ay! Ikaw na.
Ayan. Hindi ko pala naka-record.
Hindi ko rin tayo iba.
So this one is the red one. Ikaw na magbaba. Show your nails. Your nails is brown. Diba? Grabe. Guys, this one, $90 kasi merong ano yan, pedicure and manicure. For both of us is 90 each. So 180 for both of us. Pero refill na yan. Tsaka may extension. What do you call this?
Acrylics. Oh,
Acrylics. Kaya mahal siya. So ayun na. Pauwi na kami. Pero meron kasi yung bagong open dito na Dollarama. Then we're gonna visit and see what's new. Alam mo may new. Ayan. So may pupuntahan kami ng newly open na Dollarama. Say hi Ate Sam. Siya naman ang driver ko ngayon. Ang driver sweet
open ba
lover.
ito eh?
Open na nga. Kanina guys, sumunti ka na talaga kami matikita no, nak, no? Saktong-sakto, dumating ako doon sa parking namin na Northwest. Sabi niya, do you know this is...
It's no stopping zone.
Yeah, no stopping zone for this road. Pero kasi dati na kami nagpa-park doon dahil pag kumakain kami doon, nagko-coffee ako doon sa Agudo. Pero ngayon, parang siguro binawal because of may construction doon. So, hindi ko alam. Ngayon sabi niya, it's okay. So, since you're here, I'll cancel it. But next time, you know.
But
Ayan.
the other one was so mad dahil hindi kami tinikitan.
Yeah, sobrang bait niya. Pero the other side, oops, tingnan natin. Siya guys, oh.
Are you sure?
Yeah, kasi here, ito yung dating co-op guys. Ngayon open na. Then soon to open ng Shoppers. Malapit na mag-open tong Shoppers. Malapit na ang Shoppers sa amin. Pero this one is the most awaited. Nag-open na rin. Then the other side, they're gonna open a Gold's Gym. So, pero ito gusto ko to. Excited ako dyan. Malapit na sa amin ang Shoppers. Malapit na sa amin. 3 minutes away. What is that? 4:30. In place. Yay! Bagong bago. Full stock. Wow. Smells good. Smells bago. Can you bring, wow, bagong cart. Ayan. Guys, ang Dalarama dito, sobrang lalaki. Ang saya, lapit sa amin. 3 minutes lang to sa atin, no? Tingin akong toothbrush.
Guys, alam niyo ba ang Dalarama? Sila ang magsasabi kung anong kailangan mo.
Yeah, Nanay's favorite.
I know. 200 talaga yung gato ni Nana.
100 plus.
Pwede bang sa akin na lang?
O, sa'yo na lang. Guys, sabi ko na kaya ayun ang pupasok ng Dalarama.
Check. I'm 32 now.
32 daw. Ako 54. Sabi namin, check lang namin itong new open. Newly open yan.
Imagine kung magbukas pa sila sabay-sabay. Wala na. Dito na napunta lahat ng pera ko.
Ito ang nakakainis sa Dalarama. Kunyari, dollar lang yan. Pero guys, hindi na sila dollar anymore. Actually, pinakamura nila 175.
That's the cheapest.
So, the cheapest is 175. Oh. So, budol is life. Yung mga simple things lang like panlinis ng CR. Ayan, yung parang kuha ka ng paper bag. Ayan, pero family mga pumupunta rito, guys. Kaya malaki din ang talagang malaki rin talaga yung nagagastos kapag pupunta ng Dalarama. Ayan. Learned lesson. Huwag kang ikot ng ikot. Ganun lang yun. So, kailangan, grab and go. Yeah, if you're planning to buy something,
The thing about
yun lang.
it is like, they're not even complete yet.
Yeah, hindi pa yan totally full stock
We
sila.
literally just spent, oh my gosh. We were
Sabi ko,
just
nako,
looking.
separate tayo, anak. So, sa kanya, 30 plus, ako 54. Oh my God. So, ganoon talaga ang life. Pero yun naman mga kailangan. Sabi ng daddy mo, bili mo na yung mga needs dyan, ha? Makabilin din talaga si Budong ni.
Like what?
So, ayun lang guys. Magpapaalam na kami. And that's our day in the life for day of life. Day off namin yan. Day off din sa tapos treatment and everything. Ayan na nga guys. So, uuwi na kami. Thank you for watching sa mga hindi pa naka-follow. Sa page namin, please don't forget to follow and click the subscribe button. Subscribe. Please click the subscribe button and ring the bell para updated ka sa aming mga new vlogs. Say bye-bye. Thank you and see you again in our next live.